Welcome to BioMars. Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna explain why people sick. I found out this problem because one of my friend asked me why people sick. So today I'm gonna explain it very briefly. And the main reason is human body system disturbed because of virus. Basically, the virus disturb the human system, so people get sick. So what is virus? Virus is a reason for mobile genetic elements that gain the ability to move between cells. They may descend of previously free-living organisms that adopt a parasitic replication strategy. Perhaps virus exist before and led the evolution of cellular life. Basically, our cellular against the virus and cellular becomes stronger as virus becomes stronger, so they are correlate. We also can think that virus help people's immune ability. Because of more stronger virus, human immune ability becomes stronger. So in history, in the long time ago, like 2000 years ago, many people might die because of a flu, which is really common in today. But in currently, a very simple flu or very not harmful flu will not kill anyone. I also have three questions about virus: what, where, and how. So what is virus? Virus is an infectious agent of small size and simple composition that can multiply only in living cell of animals or plants. So basically, they can multiply in living cell of animal and plant, but must in the living cell. If plants or animals are dead, they will not have virus. And where? They are in the living cell, absolutely, just like I mentioned above, but more specifically, it in the outside of a host cell. Viruses do not use any energy. They only become active when they come into contact in a host cell. Once active, they can use the host cell's energy and tools to make more virus. So it have a very strong multiply ability. They can, if they touch a whole cell of plants or animals, they can spread very quickly. They can keep spread, but before they contact with a whole cell of living organisms, they do not have any energy. So also some people consider the virus is death because they are not using any energy when before they contact with host cell. And how people get sick or get the virus basically is spread through air. For example, flu is caused by influenza virus. Most of people get flu when they breathe through the air, and it might cause a cold or sneeze of someone who get flu. So it's really fast spread. For example, also COVID-19 is also spread through air or contact. Even someone got COVID-19, they sit in a chair and they leave. But in the 14 seconds, if you also sit in the same chair, you also really easily to get the COVID-19. And also one more question in the last video is asexual vs sexual. Asexual animals is more thin energy because they do not have to waste a bunch of energy in finding mates or mating. But why most of animals still are sexual in currently? Because of asexual, they are very simple. They only have one gene. But sexual is more complex. So if a disease or a virus hitting this population in the asexual, every animals, every organisms, every population of asexual will die because they cannot evolve. But for sexual, they are more easy to evolve. For example, like maybe a virus kill 90% of sexual, but other 10% will live and develop a strong immune ability. And this 10% of sexual organisms will keep divide. So that's why asexual is less cost than sexual, but they are not common in recently.